Do you want to be part of the 1% who are willing to change their lives? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I bring you the 10 powerful tips I learned from the legendary book Rich Dad, Poor Dad to always have money in your pocket. So get ready to transform your financial situation. Let's do it. 1. Pay yourself first. Imagine you receive your salary, and before paying any bills, you assign yourself a percentage. That amount goes straight into your savings or investments before you can spend it. This may seem counterintuitive at first, but it's crucial for building your financial future. This tip teaches us to prioritize our financial future over our current expenses. By paying ourselves first, we establish a solid foundation to build our wealth. It's not just about saving what's left after spending, but making saving a priority. How much are you willing to invest in your financial future? What sacrifices are you willing to make to ensure your long-term financial stability? No matter how small the percentage, start paying yourself first. The habit is more important than the amount. Also, automate this process if possible, so you don't have to make the decision every month. Remember, paying yourself first doesn't mean buying the latest iPhone. It's more about building your financial future than having the latest gadget. 2. Increase your income. In addition to your main job, look for additional sources of income, such as a second job, freelancing, or investments. For example, you could dedicate your free time to freelance projects related to your skills or explore investment opportunities in the stock market. Increasing your income gives you more financial flexibility and brings you closer to your financial goals. We often limit ourselves to thinking about how we can cut expenses, but we overlook the importance of increasing our income. Constantly seeking new income opportunities may be the key to accelerating your path to financial freedom. What additional skills could you develop to increase your income? What steps can you take today to start generating additional income? Don't settle for a single income. Diversify your sources to ensure your financial stability. Also, invest time in improving your skills and seeking professional growth opportunities. If your second job is juggling at traffic lights, make sure you don't lose too many oranges. 3. Control your expenses. Keep a detailed record of your monthly expenses and look for areas where you can cut unnecessary spending. For example, you could review your monthly subscriptions and cancel those you're not fully utilizing, or reduce your consumption of dining out. Controlling your expenses allows you to maximize your savings and have more money available to invest. We often spend money on things we don't really need, and by tracking our expenses, we can easily identify areas where we can cut back without significantly affecting our quality of life. What are your biggest monthly expenses, and how could you reduce them? What temporary sacrifices would you be willing to make to reach your long-term financial goals? Small changes in your spending habits can make a big difference in your long-term financial situation. Also, set a realistic monthly budget and stick to it as closely as possible. The next time you go shopping, bring a friend who asks you questions like, "Do you really need that garden gnome statue?" 4. Make money work for you. Invest your savings in assets that generate passive income, such as stocks, real estate, or investment funds. For example, you could consider investing in an index fund that tracks the performance of the stock market as a whole, providing you with instant diversification and exposure to the long-term growth potential of the market. Making money work for you is crucial for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Many people work hard to earn money but don't know how to make that money work for them. The key is to invest wisely and let time and compound interest work their magic. What type of assets would you like to own to generate passive income? What is your risk tolerance, and what is your investment time horizon? Don't be afraid to invest, but make sure to educate yourself first and make informed decisions. Also, diversify your investments to reduce risk and maximize long-term return potential. Remember, your money should be working as hard as you on a Monday morning. 5. Think long-term. Instead of seeking instant gratification, make financial decisions with the future in mind, such as saving for retirement or investing in your education. For example, you could set up a retirement savings plan and contribute to it regularly, even if it means making sacrifices in the present. Adopting a long-term mindset helps you avoid impulsive decisions that may harm your long-term financial stability. Many people fall into the trap of living in the moment and spending everything they earn without thinking about the long-term consequences. But by thinking long-term, you can make smarter decisions and be better prepared to face financial challenges that may arise in the future. What is your long-term vision for your financial situation? What steps are you willing to take today to make that vision a reality in the future? Visualize your financial goals and work towards them step by step. The journey may be long, but the end result is worth it. Also, keep a constant reminder of your goals to motivate yourself to keep going, whether it's a picture of your dream home or a financial planner on your desk. Think of your finances in the long term as a serious relationship. Although sometimes you wish you could just break up and move on, you know it's better for you to stay and work on it. 6. Learn to be financially disciplined. Set a monthly budget and stick to it. Avoid impulse purchases and practice delayed gratification. For example, you could set a rule to wait 24 hours before making a major purchase to make sure you really need it. Financial discipline helps you maintain control over your finances and avoid unnecessary debt. Many people struggle with financial discipline because they confuse their wants with their needs. But by setting clear boundaries and sticking to them, you can take control of your finances and avoid impulsive financial decisions that may harm your long-term stability. What strategies do you use to maintain financial discipline? How can you strengthen your willpower when it comes to important financial decisions? Discipline is the key to long-term financial success. Keep your goals in mind and stay firm on your path towards them. Also, look for ways to reward yourself for maintaining discipline, whether it's with small pleasures like a special dinner or a day without spending. Being financially disciplined is like exercising. No one wants to do it, but everyone feels better afterward. 7. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance. Read books, attend seminars, and follow finance experts to expand your knowledge of money management. For example, you could join a financial book club or follow your favorite authors on social media to stay updated on the latest financial trends. Financial education empowers you to make informed decisions and maximize your financial growth opportunities. Many people avoid financial education because they think it's boring or complicated, but it's actually a powerful tool that can change your life for the better. By educating yourself about personal finance, you can learn to manage your money more effectively and make the most of your resources. What resources do you use to educate yourself about personal finance? What areas of your financial knowledge would you like to improve? Never stop learning. Invest in your financial education as much as you invest in your assets. Also, look for opportunities to share your knowledge with others, whether by teaching friends and family or participating in online communities. Remember, reading about personal finance doesn't automatically make you Warren Buffett, but it will at least make you sound smarter at family dinners. 8. Maintain a lifestyle below your means. Avoid living beyond your financial capabilities and look for ways to enjoy life without overspending. For example, you could opt for cheaper vacations, cook at home instead of dining out, or buy used items instead of new ones. Living below your means provides you with financial security and allows you to accumulate wealth more quickly. Many people fall into the trap of living at the edge of their financial capabilities, but this can be dangerous and lead to long-term financial problems. By living below your means, you can reduce financial stress and have more freedom to pursue your dreams. What are some ways you can reduce your expenses and live more frugally? What temporary sacrifices would you be willing to make to achieve your long-term financial goals? Financial freedom doesn't come from having more, but from needing less. Learn to enjoy the little things and appreciate what you already have. Also, look for creative ways to enjoy life without spending a lot of money, such as organizing picnics in the park or going on local hikes. Living below your means is like wearing yoga pants, comfortable, practical, and gives you more flexibility. 9. Set clear and achievable financial goals. Define specific financial goals, such as saving for an emergency fund, paying off debts, or investing in your education. Then, create a plan to achieve those goals step by step. For example, you could set a monthly savings goal and automate automatic transfers to a dedicated savings account. Having clear financial goals gives you purpose and motivates you to take concrete actions to improve your financial situation. Many people avoid setting financial goals because they think they're unattainable or too difficult to achieve, but they're actually a powerful tool that can change your life for the better. By setting clear and achievable financial goals, you can create an action plan to achieve your financial dreams and work towards them systematically. Divide your goals into smaller steps and celebrate each achievement along the way. This will keep you motivated and focused on your progress. Also, regularly review your goals and adjust your action plan as needed to ensure you're on the right path. Setting financial goals is like going to the gym. If you don't have a clear idea of what you're doing, you'll probably end up watching Netflix on the treadmill. 10. Seek expert advice. Consult financial professionals, such as advisors, accountants, or financial planners, for specific guidance on your finances. For example, you could schedule a consultation with a financial advisor to review your investment plan and make sure you're on the right track to achieve your financial goals. Seeking expert advice provides you with an external perspective and helps you make more informed and successful decisions. Many people avoid seeking professional financial help because they think they can do it all themselves, but in reality, working with a financial advisor can make the difference between financial success and failure. Financial experts have the knowledge and experience necessary to help you navigate the complex world of personal finance and maximize your financial growth opportunities. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Investing in expert advice can save you time, money, and worries in the long run. Also, make sure to do your own research and seek out trusted financial professionals with a solid reputation and experience in the field. Consulting a financial expert is like asking for directions when you're lost. Sometimes, you just need to admit that you have no idea where you're headed. Remember, it's not just about knowing these tips, but putting them into practice in your daily life. So let's get to work. Remember that the path to financial freedom may be challenging, but with determination, discipline, and the right advice, you can achieve your financial goals and create the life of your dreams. See you in the next video.